I like the crunchies.
New food review for you guys. Keto brand sea salt caramel crunch. Y'all see it? We're gonna see what it's hitting on. See what these nutrition facts hitting on. Now let's check them out. All right, getting straight to it. Strictly for you guys.
Oh,
it's a ravenous monster.
I'll just throw the box across the table.
I'm a little nervous. Ooh. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it?
Oh, the chocolate's falling up.
Let's try it out. Zero sugar. I think it's like 1 net carb.
1 gram of net carbs.
Do a cheers.
Yeah, we did.
All right. How do you feel about it?
The ice cream's not creamy enough, and the chocolate's a little chocolatey.
Yeah, tastes like dark chocolate. Honestly, I'm gonna give it a 5.5. 5.5.
I'll give it a 6.5.
Do y'all have it? It's like dark chocolate. I don't taste like the sea salt caramel. Like, I'm just like,
No, I do.
You know?
I think it's in the ice cream. Yeah, like, I think the ice cream makes you so caramel.
I can dig it. I'm gonna say the chocolate. It's the chocolate for me. It's just too. The fuck?
Pow, 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 pow. I like the crunchies.
Y'all see it. Well, that's it, guys. We appreciate y'all. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. The baby's in there just. Y'all thought I was sleeping.
Sleeping.
We will see y'all on the next episode of Keeping It Keto.